I wanted to actually make a video about this because Ashlyn has this thing going on right now where she bites her shirts, and if you guys see her in some of the videos, I'm just like, what if they think like she's dressed all raggedy? But no, guys, this is a habit she has going on right now where she bites the collar of her shirts, like the neck area. So I just grabbed the shirt right now, and I want you guys to see how it looks. This is one of the shirts that she has bitten before, and this is how it looks, guys. So in the beginning, I used to throw them away because, I mean, I don't like to see my kid wearing shirts that are ripped like this, right? Because what are people gonna think that don't actually know what is going on behind the scenes? You know, we have an autistic child, and I'm assuming, you know, that's for sensory. She feels, you know, satisfaction doing that. I don't know, but that's what's going on, guys. So if you guys see her in other videos with her shirt all raggedy with a bitten neck, you know, I do dress her up every day. But like I said, I used to throw away these shirts until my mother told me, and you know, my kids, they're like, Mom, don't throw them away, just wash them and put them on all over again, because she's doing the same thing. So I'm like, you know what? Yes, I'm gonna start doing that, because I mean, brand new shirts that she did ruin because she got this habit of biting on her clothes, guys. Look at her. You know, like those kind of chewies they hang in the kids so they could bite. She does not like the rubber ones. She likes to bite on her clothes now. And I'm gonna change her because that one is kind of dirty. She did have some ice cream earlier. No biting, Ashley. Yeah, she is a little fuzzy. She did get some shots a few days ago, and she was doing just fine. This is like the third day. So I'm assuming it's just kicking in, and she's getting a little fuzzy, frustrated. And she does wear undershirt, guys. So, you know, that's what you guys saw right now, her undershirt. I am going to give her some Motrin, guys. She still uses the children's Motrin. This is the only medication she'll take that we don't have to, like, hide. She actually likes it. I don't really give it to her unless I have to, but she does feel a little warm. This is like 3 days after getting her shots at the doctor. She did go for a physical. All right, guys, so I did want to show you guys that part. I don't think I should explain myself to anybody or my daughter, but the reason, I mean, I do see it, and I mean, I wouldn't question it on somebody else because I understand autism, so I know what could happen. And I know if a kid with an autistic kid, or regardless, just a kid, kids do that. But, you know, there's a lot of judgmental people out there that will judge and say, like, oh, her mom doesn't change her, or so on. I mean, I haven't got anything like that, but of course, we haven't taken her out due to COVID, and she does not leave her mask on. We do have a family channel, and she does come out on it. Of course, you know, it's a family channel. We all come out, and sometimes she just pops out of nowhere with her shirt all bitten, and I don't feel I should explain myself every time that happens, or in every video. So I decided to make a video on it, explaining to you guys what she has been doing, biting the collar of her shirts. You know, I'm assuming that's for sensory. I'm not sure. But then if I go back, I got a little flashback moment. And I do remember when she was going to school during winter, when she would wear like the sweaters, jackets, and long sleeve. I do remember her biting her sleeves. She would like literally like bring her sleeve all the way to her hand and bite it. It was really wet and floppy, and she would even rip some of the sleeves from biting them. So then I'm like, where did she get this from? I just couldn't understand. I'm like, is this new or what's going on? But then now that I get those flashbacks, I'm like, no, she used to already do that. during winter when she was wearing the long sleeves to school, she would come back home with her sleeves bitten. Every kid has different behaviors or things they do. That's one of the things Ashlyn does. So yeah, guys, I wanted to share that with you guys. If you're not yet subscribed to Autism Life with Ashley, make sure you do so. Follow our journey. I do post about her also on our family channel, but as you guys may understand, it's more like, you know, not only autism, it's just our normal lives, because we do have 2 older girls that are completely normal, and we do normal stuff as a normal family. We are just an autism family, and all my kids, I'm not saying they're trained, but this is automatically. They already know they have a special needs little sister, and automatically, you know, if everyone's home, we're all on the lookout, like, oh, Ashley. And there we go, like, you know, run to see what she's up to. Right now we have this thing going on where we have to lock all the doors because she's opening the faucets and she wants to wet her hair all the time now, guys. I am going to make another video on that next. I'm showing you guys, we already had high locks to the sliding door to go to the backyard and to the front. But that's not it. Now Willie had to put high locks in each restroom, guys, even in the pantry, because she'll just open it and she has no safety awareness. Stay tuned for that other video. I hope I helped somebody. I just wanted to share this with you guys so you guys see what it's like and, you know, what stuff they do. I remember she used to bite her hands when she was little, but then they could literally stop doing one thing from like one day to another and don't do it for years, but it will come back. I'm telling you from experience. I have 10 years plus of experience. She's 11 years old. And now that I go back, I'm like, where did she get the biting of the hands? You know, this was sudden. She has years doing it now, though. But before, I was like, I would question myself why, or she didn't do it before. I would try to remember. But, you know, I do have 4 kids. I tend to forget stuff. And I'm like, you know what? I remember she used to bite her hands when she was little, and she just stopped doing it, and it came back all over again. The only difference is that when she was little, she would bite her hands, but she was toothless for a very long time. All her 4 teeth from the front, the top front teeth, they were all removed when she was little. So she was toothless for years until the real teeth came back out. So now, I mean, she's completely stopped doing it, like I was saying. So when she started doing it again, obviously she's a lot older and she has teeth now. That's why she has marks from biting, guys. I wanted to bring that up for all of you guys that don't know and don't understand autism and actually are doing your research on what could happen, or, you know. Yeah, there's just things that I need to go to another video and talk to you guys about. I need to do more sit downs because there's so much to cover. I want to try to do this, you know, each topic per video, because there's stuff that she's done in the past and she's completely stops doing, and then she'll do them all over again after years, guys. And if they do learn something, you know, she could learn and she could be doing that thing very, very well, and all of a sudden she'll completely stop. Like when there's a few words, she'll say 2 to 3 words, and she'll say I'm constantly knowing the meaning to these words, and she'll just completely stop saying them. They do tend to regress, guys. A lot of parents are not aware of this. Yeah, a lot of, you know, parents do get happy, and I understand. I totally get it. Of course, we're gonna get happy if our kid's nonverbal and all of a sudden is speaking, right? Sorry, guys. Ashlyn needed my attention. Of course, like I was saying, of course, we're gonna get happy if your child's nonverbal and you hear a few words, right? Yes, of course. But I don't want to, you know, this is my experience. Again, I'm not saying all children do this, but I heard it from other parents that do have autistic children. they do tend to stop. And all right, guys, so this is gonna be the end of the video. I covered quite a bit, you know, on the biting of the shirts, and you guys already know she does bite on her hands. That's, you know, part of behavior she has going on. We do have intervention for it. She does have a VIP, which is a behavior intervention plan. There's a video on that as well. I can link it down below. She does have it at home with ABA, and she also has it at school in her IEP. I think it's very important for us parents to follow the rules, you know, what they do at school and at home. That way she's on the same page, on the same boat. Because if we teach her different and if we do it differently, she's just gonna get confused and she's not gonna learn. But anyways, again, every time I talk of every topic or things they do and so on, again, this is our experience with Ashlyn. She is an autistic girl. She's 11 years old and she is nonverbal, guys. If you guys are not yet subscribed to Autism Life with Ashley, make sure to do so. Hit that big thumbs up, the bell notification to get notified every time I upload a brand new video, guys. There's a lot more informational videos to come. If you guys have any special requests, feel free to ask down below and I'm willing to make these videos for you guys. Follow our journey. We also have our family channel, which is the Garcia's Royalty Family, and it's always gonna be linked in the description below along with special needs videos. I do have a full playlist on Ashlyn special needs on my channel, which is the Garcia's Royalty Family. So go ahead and check it out, you know, share it with your friends. Let's help us spread autism awareness around the world. We also have merch. It's a puzzle collection. It has the puzzles going on there. One of my daughters freehand drew it to represent our daughter Ashlyn. We have face masks and other accessories you guys might like. Go ahead and check it out. You might like something. If not, that's okay. We will be back with more videos, guys.